Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy wallet address on Binance. It's really simple and easy. Open the Binance application. Now on the home page, you will be able to see this add funds or deposit button in the top. Tap on it. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see the deposit tab on the home page, then what you need to do is to simply tap on the wallets tab or assets tab in the bottom right corner, and here you will be see this deposit or add funds. Tap on it and then tap on this deposit crypto, and here you will see bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit in your Binance account. So among these given cryptocurrencies, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency, the wallet address of which you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy the wallet address of USDT, so I will simply type USDT, and then it will ask me to choose the network. You will be able to see bunch of different associated networks like TRC20, BNB, AppTops, Ethereum, Solana, and all these. So over here, you just have to choose that particular network that you want to use to deposit your USDT or any other coin that you have selected. I want to choose this BNB Smart Chain. After selecting this, it will show you the QR code as well as your deposit address. In order to copy it, you will have to tap on this copy button right next to it, and then it will show you that prompt that your wallet address is now copied, and you can use this wallet address to deposit your USDT into Binance account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.